Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook app using secure sign-in, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. If you are not already on the login screen, tap the login button. Enter your registered email address or phone number in the designated field. Then, type your password in the password field. Before proceeding, ensure that the Save Password option is selected if you want the app to remember your login details. Now, look for the Secure Sign-In option, which offers an additional layer of security. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to verify your identity. Check your phone for a verification code sent via SMS or your authentication app. Enter this code in the field provided in the app. Once you've entered the code, tap Continue or Verify. If your login information is correct, you will be taken to your Facebook newsfeed. If you encounter any issues, verify your email and password for accuracy. In case you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings to enhance your security further. Consider setting up login alerts to monitor unauthorized access to your account. Remember to log out from shared devices for your security. You are now successfully logged into the Facebook app using Secure Sign-In. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.